کن کمرش الا کن کمرش الا کن زود الا کن الاش کن مادرشو بکش اینو در کاورش بگیره گرم بکنه مادرشو بکش
ما خاطر آمدیم شما گربارای نکنیم
نه رسید دا ور پردا خواهی برا خبر در اخباری
انت که سیلاب آمد امسایه چقدر که سیلاب آمد بر آمدیم سر ما کشیدیم دیگه آمد خانه مانه رو چیز میز آمد زیر چیزی نمید
Out of the three big drivers of hunger, conflicts, economic shocks, climate extremes, the climate dimension is the one that can be most reliably predicted. And that also goes for the El-Ninьo related droughts and floods. So we have what it takes to forecast these damaging events. We have what it takes to protect lives before they need saving. But what we need to do is to make these systems and processes accessible and available also in fragile contexts where people are usually disconnected from these services.